Good morning, Bill Hecke here with your Wednesday morning look at our Central Texas weather. It is Wednesday, the 12th day of November 2025. Our sunrise this morning, 6:55, sunset 5:31. Climatology out of Waco, the normal high 70, the normal low 47. The records, 85 degrees, 1902. 1921 and 1955, and the low 47, 2019. Yesterday we topped at 73, that was 3 degrees above normal, the low 40, 7 below normal. Yesterday's record, 88 degrees, set 1911, the low 19, set 1950. And we have temperatures this morning, somewhat varied. Mainly it's all 40s and 50s. Had a few clouds in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but earlier I mentioned I can see on satellite imagery just a little bit of a calmer shape. It's a weak impulse of energy that's just moving down through the southeastern part of Oklahoma, southwestern Arkansas, and tails into North Texas, and that's what that little bit of cloud cover is coming from. Other than that, I don't show anything of significance, and so consequently that cloud cover will be gone. Temperature-wise today, we're not going to linger very long with our cooler numbers. I think everybody I saw was 40s and 50s, and I thought I saw one number, if I recall from just a few minutes ago. Yeah, Llano had dropped to 39, but everybody else was 40s and 50s, mid to upper 40s and generally low 50s. We got some mid 50s down toward Giddings and the Brazos Valley, saw 53 College Station. And then we hit 58 at Huntsville. Conroe was 48, but across the Houston area, it was almost all 50s except for 60 at Hobby. But 40s and 50s doesn't feel too bad out. And through the day, plenty of sunshine. We'll top out in the probably upper 70s, low 80s. We may see one or two hit the middle 80s range. I think I said about 78 to 84. Across the area, winds will be light and southerly. Tonight, it'll be in the upper 50s to near 60. And tomorrow, warmer still, low 80s, one or two middle 80s possible. But the south wind's a little stronger tomorrow, 10 to 15. Might get an occasional afternoon gust to 20. And we're going to run that temperature up. We'll be running middle 80s on Friday. And Saturday is probably going to be in the mid 80s range as well as Sunday. Now we've got in that time frame a frontal boundary that's going to be pushing into the area. I had been thinking we would start to tighten the pressure gradient, get the stronger winds, increase the moisture as we hit Friday. And then whenever we get into our weekend, we actually will have on Saturday probably a morning low cloud deck and gusty winds. I was thinking we might start to pick up a little chance of precipitation, but we'll have to see what kind of development, because what we're going to see is a surge of cool air down from the northwest, and right behind it is a low pressure area that's going to be working around Southern California, northern Baja region. That's a good moisture source. So if we can put some cool air down and put some moisture up on top of it and then get a strong southerly flow off the Gulf, then we can kind of build into an area where we could get a little precipitation. And that looks like we might be able to talk about Sunday, Monday, or Monday, Tuesday time frame, getting a little surge and then a secondary surge. But a lot of the push now, while initially it comes down from the northwest, we've still got a strong influence from the west and west-southwest, meaning Pacific moisture and warmer air. So we'll watch as this develops. It doesn't look super strong, but that's when our next change in the weather is going to come. So a warming trend for now, and then we'll finish the week and move into the weekend trending toward 2 or 3 week disturbances, which could mean a little precipitation here and there. I don't see anything significant. So we'll just plan on talking about it. Whether we get it or not, we'll play wait and see. From the Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Bill Hecke.